Ninth method is teach English as a second language. Having been a VIP kid teacher myself, I can honestly say it's a legit way to make money online. VIP Kid hires native English speakers to teach English to children, most of whom are based on China. Your pay is based on your level of teaching experience and how well you do in the demo interview. Well, when I worked for the company, I had zero experience and regularly made $1,500 to $2,000 per month teaching part time. For a complete look at the pros and cons, check out our VIP Kit teacher review. Number 10 method is sell your unused gift cards. If you have gift cards lying around that you don't want, you can sell them on Raise. When you enter your gift card, Raise will give you a suggested selling rate. You can change this to set the price at whatever you believe is fair. It's free to list your gift card on Raise, but once it sells, the site will keep 15% of the selling price and you will receive the remaining 85%. For example, if you list a gift card with a $50 balance for sale at $45, Raise will keep $6.75 and you will receive $38.25. 11th method is become a private tutor. With a variety of online tutoring sites available, you can earn money online by teaching anything you know. Some sites dictate the amount you can charge while others allow you to set your own rate. You can start booking clients by creating profiles on sites like Wisent or Tutor.com, depending on your subject area and whether you prefer to teach in person or online. You can also advertise or a Craigslist or at local schools. Number 12 method is sell your gently used clothing. One of the easiest way to make money online is by selling things you no longer use. If your clothes are designer and in high demand, you may earn money more listing them individually on Poshmark on eBay or eBay. On the other hand, if your items are not in as high demand or you don't want to deal with the hassle of selling them yourself, you can order a clean out kit for the thread up. Pack the bag and collect your earnings when they sell. For a local alternative, try Plato's closest or Buffalo. From my experience, however, you won't earn as much as selling your clothes online. Number 13 method is get paid to test websites. Website testers give their opinions on a website design and user experience. This allows companies to make changes to their websites in order to provide a better experience for their users and hopefully increase sales. With sites like user testing, you can earn $10 for every 15 to 20 minutes tests you complete. Test involve recording your screen with feedback and answer following questions. Check out other places you can get paid to test website. Number 15 in investing fine art. When people think of investing, they imagine the usual stocks and bonds, real estate, etc. Buy you can also invest in physical items such as fine art. Up until now, and it was not possible for ordinary people to buy famous and original works of art from artists like Picasso, Monet, or Rembrandt. Masterworks is a company that makes it possible to buy shares in painting just as you would buy shares of stock. It's a good way to make money online if you know your art and don't need the money right away. Related four profitable ways to invest in fine art. Number 15 method is write for websites and business owners. Writing is one of the fastest and most accessible ways to make money online. You don't need perfect grammar skills or padded portfolio to become a freelancer writer. You can use personal blogs, post newsletters, or stories you have written in the past as sample of your work. Join the pro blogger and freelance writing job boards to start pitching your services to clients. Number 16 method is pick up freelance work. I have earned thousands in extra income over the last 3 years as freelance writer, web developer, and most recently project manager. The fastest way to sell your services online is to offer what you already know. If your day job involves managing social media, or if you learn to edit podcasts from working on your own personal podcast, those are legitimate services you can offer to clients. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com offer a network of professionals looking for professionals with freelancers with your skill set. Number 17 method is sell what you make on Etsy. Etsy is known for its variety of handmade and vintage items, but users have been successful selling everything from handmade knitwear and upcycled jewelry to budget printables and home organization binders. Whatever your talent is, there is a chance that you can sell your craft digitally and earn some extra income. The 18th method is create YouTube content. YouTubers primarily earn money through ads, which average $0.01 to $0.03 per view or $3 to $5 per thousand views. If you create consistent, engaging content, you create and build a following, you can make money on YouTube with Google AdSense. It's a free to start a creator account, and but you must meet YouTube's minimum requirements before you can monetize your videos. Thank you.